In this week of my Advanced Technologies projects, I've implemented a level of detail system that loads meshes at runtime. As the player gets closer or further from the terrain chunk in question, different detail levels are fetched from the disk. It also removes the previous detail level so as to avoid clogging up the system memory. Currently, it loads meshes in the main thread, and therefore makes the program stutter a little bit every time a mesh is loaded. I am looking into ways of moving the loading operation to an asynchronous thread to avoid this. Another thing I will research is stitching the edges of different chunks together to close the gaps between them, even when the chunks are of different detail levels. The current implementation works by first calculating the distance between the chunk and the player. It then finds the nearest distance threshold that the player is within, determining the level of detail that is appropriate. If a change in detail is needed, it loads the new mesh into a temporary mesh filter, removes the current mesh, and copies the new one into the game object.